CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Given a scenario, use Microsoft Windows operating system features and tools. Event Viewer. Event Viewer is a Microsoft Windows utility that is used to view and analyze various events that occur within the operating system. An event refers to any significant action, change, or issue recorded by the operating system or an application. These events are stored in logs, which are organized into categories such as system, application, and security. To better understand how Event Viewer is used, it's important to know what each of these logs represents. The system log contains events related to the operating system itself, including hardware issues, driver problems, and service failures. The application log records events generated by installed programs, such as application errors or successful operations. The security log tracks security-related events, including login attempts, access to resources, and audit results. Each event is also assigned a severity level to help prioritize troubleshooting. Critical events indicate serious issues like system crashes or hardware failures. Error events highlight significant problems, such as applications crashing or services failing to start. Warning events point to potential issues that may lead to errors if not addressed, while information events provide general details about normal system activity. Additionally, audit success and audit failure events are used specifically for security tracking. Understanding how these logs and event types work together allows technicians to quickly identify and diagnose problems. Instead of guessing, you can use Event Viewer to trace issues back to their source, making it an essential tool for troubleshooting system errors, service interruptions, and stability problems. Now that you understand how events are categorized, let's look at how to access Event Viewer. To open Event Viewer using the Windows Run dialog box, press the Windows key plus the letter R. Once the Run dialog box opens, type eventvwr.msc and click OK. This command launches Event Viewer, where you can begin analyzing system logs. Once Event Viewer is open, the next step is knowing where to look. Focus on the appropriate log category depending on the issue. The system log is commonly used for hardware problems, driver issues, and service failures. The application log contains events related to installed software, while the security log records login attempts and access-related events. Finally, it's important to understand why this tool matters in an IT environment. Event Viewer allows technicians to move beyond symptoms and identify the actual source of a problem. By analyzing logs, event IDs, and recurring patterns, you can diagnose issues such as unexpected shutdowns, failed updates, or system instability. For the exam, remember that Event Viewer is the primary tool used to investigate system errors, service failures, and crash-related issues, making it essential for effective troubleshooting. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.